Sadly, one of the closest 450 Supercross title championship contenders or contentions we've had in a very long time ended with that little innocuous crash right there. And this is in no way any fault of Adam Cianciarulo's. If you watch the clip, his front wheel is in the air when he hits the back of Cooper's head. He had absolutely nothing he can do about this. But Cooper did post on his Instagram saying, quote, "As many of you saw, I suffered a concussion last night in Nashville. I'm thankful that everything has checked out okay. This will unfortunately put an end to my Supercross season. It hurts to have it end like this, but I can hold my head high knowing I gave it my all. Nobody is at fault. I made a small mistake, and shit happens in racing. Let's be better than that. I appreciate the support." I mean, it is. It's just one of those stupid little crashes that he fell over, and 99.9% of the time he would have been perfectly fine, gotten up and, raced the LCQ, or even maybe finished in this. But this one, he got hit in the back of the head and got a concussion, and it's not very good. It does actually kind of suck because it was close. And yes, Eli Tomac was running away with it, but, whatever. Adam did say on his Twitter, quote, "Tough day for me, not because of the result, but because of that incident with Cooper in the heat race. The absolute worst spot you can be in as a racer. It happened so fast, and I wish I could have avoided it. I'm thinking of him, and I hope he is back soon." Obviously, this is Cooper out for the rest of Supercross season, and these images right here, I can't believe happened again. No neck brace, no back support, with head and or neck injury. The fact that he is on a mule with no support and riding away, I can't believe that it happened. But you look at this and it is, you can see Adam trying to turn, but his wheel's just in the air and providing no push or turning, and it sucks. He's out for the rest of the year. Well, last 3 races, whatever you want to call it. And who knows if he's racing outdoors or if he's racing World Supercross. I've heard both, or read both, and I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. What do you think he's going to do? Outdoor Nationals, World Supercross? Is he going to be racing for Red Bull, or is it going to be maybe the Star, or I guess Yamaha, whatever you want to call it? In the comments below, you tell me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all those fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.